Hey guys, my name is Madeline Newman and I am interested in becoming a counselor. A counselor's main job is to help their client with mental and emotional issues. A couple of other duties they have include listening to clients, developing plans to help, determine mental or emotional states, determine what treatments or strategies that could be helpful to them, and to keep track of progress. In order to become a counselor, a person must have at least a bachelor's or a master's degree in counseling, psychology, or social work. Other things you can do to get ahead is to intern or have on-job training. If I follow my 4-year plan in psychology, then I will be on track to become a counselor by having a bachelor's degree in psychology. If I want to continue my education, then I can. So why psychology? I know I'm not the only one that thinks psychology is extremely interesting. It is something I feel I will never get bored of learning about. The other reason, like most, is I want to know how to help other people with their mental health. Even if life changes and I don't become a paid counselor, I still want to have that knowledge. In Chapter 13, there is a list of reasons why people want to major in psychology. My first reason is the number one reason most people major in it, because they feel very interested in the subject.